Hey everyone, welcome back to CodeScript. In today's video, we're going to explore one of the most fundamental and versatile data structures in Python lists. By the end of this video, you'll be comfortable working with lists and using various list operations in your Python code. Whether you're just getting started with Python or you're looking to polish your skills, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive in. So, what is a Python list? A list is an ordered collection that can store multiple items, and it's one of Python's most powerful data structures. You can store anything in a list: strings, numbers, booleans, or even other lists. Here's a basic example of how to create a list in Python. Notice how we have different types of data in each list. Lists are incredibly flexible, allowing you to store whatever you need. Next, let's talk about accessing elements in a list. Python uses zero-based indexing, which means the first item is at index 0. Let's access the first and last elements of our fruits list. You can also slice lists to access a range of elements. This is a powerful feature for when you need to work with sub-lists. In this code, 1:4 extracts elements from index 1 to 3, it doesn't include 4. Slicing is an essential tool, so practice it to get comfortable. Now, pause the video and try slicing a list on your own. Try extracting the first 3 elements of the fruits list. Resume when you're ready. Python lists have several methods for adding and removing elements. Let's start with adding elements. Append. It adds an item to the end of the list. Insert. It adds an item at a specific index. Extend. It adds multiple elements from another list. Let's see the tutorial. Now, let's move on to removing elements. Python lists offer several methods. Remove. It removes the first occurrence of a specified item. Pop. It removes an item at a given index or the last item by default. Clear. It removes all elements from the list. Let's see the tutorial. Try these out yourself and experiment with different methods for adding and removing elements. Pause here and practice adding and removing elements in your list. Try using insert to add an item at the beginning and pop to remove an item from the middle. Now, let's explore some advanced list operations. Sort sorts a list in ascending order. Reverse reverses the order of elements. Copy creates a shallow copy of the list. Let's see the tutorial. Sorting and reversing are essential when you're dealing with data that needs to be ordered. Copying lists is also important when you want to manipulate a list without affecting the original. Let's put everything we've learned into practice. Here's a quick challenge. Create a list of your favorite numbers, add 3 new numbers using append, remove 1 using pop, sort the list in ascending order, and then reverse it. Pause the video, try the challenge, and come back to see the solution. Here's one way to do it. Great job, everyone! We covered a lot about Python lists today, from creating and accessing lists to advanced operations like sorting and slicing. Python lists are incredibly powerful, and mastering them will help you with more complex Python program. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave your questions or challenges in the comments below. See you in the next tutorial.